Hi there, today I'm here to talk to you about accessing BrainPop and getting logged in. I'm in a Schoology course to start, but I'm going to take you through three separate ways to access BrainPop. This Schoology course would work exactly the same as a learner's Class Dojo, or if you're accessing this from a Google Drive document agenda, such as a Google Slide or a doc, your facilitator would have provided you with a link like this one at the top of the Schoology course. And when I go ahead and click that, I should be taken to a BrainPop page that asks me to log in. I'll go ahead and click that login and hit G Suite for Education. I'm going to use my Google single sign-on to go ahead and access that BrainPop account. And I'm taken here to my assignments page or to the dashboard where I see my assignments. I have this equations with variables. I can go ahead and click that, and now I can act on it. The second way that you might be asked to access your BrainPop account is here through Google Drive. And the way that you do that is through the waffle. I'll click the waffle here, I'll scroll down, and I'll find BrainPop. When I click that BrainPop, very similarly, I should be logged in. I'm taken to the landing page. If I'm not logged in, I'll go ahead and log in again with G Suite for Education. I'm logged in, and now I am ready to access my account, my dashboard that's going to have those assignments on it, etc. And the last would be directly through brainpop.com or through the BrainPop app. If you're using the BrainPop app, you should only have to log in one time. Similarly, on your browser, once you're logged in, as long as you do not log out, you should stay logged in. So just like the other two methods, we'll log in, hit G Suite for Education, use our pequayvalley.net learner email, which is first name underscore last name at pequayvalley.net, and our password to that account, and we'll be able to log in, then go to the dashboard, see any of our assignments, access the content. As always, I hope that this tutorial on logging into BrainPop was helpful, and thank you for watching.